In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11, recording everything you copy by turning off or clearing clipboard history. If you've noticed that Windows seems to remember all the text, images, or items you've copied, that's because of a feature called clipboard history. It's designed to be helpful, but if you're concerned about privacy or just don't like the clutter, you can easily turn it off or clear what's already stored. I'll walk you through, step by step, and you can follow along on your own computer. First, let's open the main settings menu in Windows 11. Move your mouse to the Start button on your taskbar and click it. Then select Settings. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time to open Settings directly. Once Settings is open, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on System. This is where most of the core Windows options live, including things related to your clipboard. Next, on the right side, scroll down until you find an option called Clipboard and click on that. This will open the Clipboard Settings page, where we can manage clipboard history and a few other related options. Here, you'll see a switch labeled Clipboard History. If that switch is turned on, Windows will keep saving a list of everything you copy, so you can paste older items later. To stop Windows from recording what you copy, simply click the switch to turn it off. Once it's off, Windows will no longer keep a running history. It will only remember the last item you copied, just like older versions of Windows. If you want to remove anything that has already been saved, look for the section that mentions clearing data. There should be a button labeled Clear. Click that, and Windows will immediately delete the current clipboard history stored on your device. This is useful if you've copied passwords, private messages, or any other sensitive information in the past, and want to make sure it's not still saved. From this point on, with clipboard history turned off, anything you copy will not be stored in a list, and only your most recent copy will be available to paste. That's all you need to do. You've successfully disabled clipboard history and cleared out what was stored before. If you ever change your mind and want the feature back, just return to the same clipboard settings page and turn the switch on again.